Hello and welcome to the Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So, cryptocurrency markets were able to hold on gains on Monday amid optimism that the US economy was resilient to withstand the shocks of Federal Reserve's aggressive rate hikes, while a fresh reading of inflation later this week could show the pace of price rise may be showing. So, IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was up by 5% to trade at 34,960 points. Bitcoin rose by 4.6% at $24,085. Ethereum was up by 5.2% and it was trading at $1,772. So, stocks extended Friday's session lower after data showed that the US economy added more than double the anticipated jobs last month. So, the labor market added around 5,28,000 jobs in July against projections of 2,58,000 jobs increase, pulling down the unemployment rate to 3.5% against an estimate of 3.6%. A new reading for the consumer price index slated for the release on Wednesday is expected to dip at 8.7% in July from a 40-year high of 9.1% hit in June. So, this is something, the Indian perspective development which is happening, a public spat between the global cryptocurrency platform Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao and WazirX co-founder Nishal Shetty has hit roughly around 15 million of the registered users of the Indian cryptocurrency exchange. Hours after an unexpected tweet wherein the Binance CEO, which is CZ, denied owning any equity in the Indian cryptocurrency exchange trading platform WazirX, and even the completion of its 2019 acquisition, a series of tweets were exchanged between him and the crypto bourses founded Nishal Shetty on August 6th. So, we had spoken to Mr. Mushir Ahmed, founder and MD of FinStep. He told 3.0 TV that for a robust financial market system, it is vital there is a robust governance and high transparency. Commenting on this development, the requirement is heightened and critical in the crypto markets, Mushir, and especially when the regulatory frameworks are still being formed. Commenting on the Binance and WazirX spat, he said to us that consumers' interest and assets to be protected at all costs, and the loss of the exchange customer confidence will not only significantly impact users of the platform but also the wider industry in India. So this is also an opportunity, he believes, that for the other exchanges to do an internal sense check and ensure that their governance is robust. So when we talk about the other coins, which is the Binance BNB, was up by 4.4% at $328. Solana Sol was up by 6.8% at $43. Next on the list is Ripple's XRP token was trading at $0.38, up 2.5%. Cardano's ADA token was up by 5.3% at $0.54. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $30, up 13%. So one of the key reasons, keep it in mind, behind today's bullish price action appears to be a hefty growth of Avalanche-based NFTs. So trading volumes have increased by 31% over the past 24 hours, which is actually the leading NFT collection Naval Sea Game trading volumes, which has jumped by around 63% over the past 24 hours. So next on the list is Shiba Inu, which is up by 5.4%. Polkadot was up by 10% to trade at $9.4. Doge, the popular meme coin, is next on the list, was up by 3.4% at $0.07. Last on the list is Polygon Matic, which gained 4.5% to trade at $0.95. So let's get a technical perspective view from our technical expert, Ayushi Verma. Ayushi, welcome on 3.0 TV.
Thank you, Manoj, for inviting me here. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. And this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. Now, if you look at here, we were talking about this thing, I think from the past few days, that the price is just taking up a support at 22,600 levels. And let's say if the price breaks this level, so we have another support area of in the form of this trend line. Now again, exactly same thing happens. The price took a support here at 22,600, and now it has started gaining some momentum towards the upside. So on Friday, we have seen a good momentum. And today, in fact, it's also up, and it's up by around 4%. So now what we need to see, we just need to wait for the closing price, and if that happens, we will be sure that from here the uptrend will continue. But one thing which is still missing here the price is just creating a smaller, higher highs and higher lows. So the highs and the lows are very close, very near. So that happens basically when there is a lack of trading activity, lack of momentum, in the Bitcoin or in any cryptocurrency. So now what we need to see, if today's closing happens higher, maybe at a level near around high price, which is at 24,200. So we will be sure, we will be getting a confirmation that now the price will move towards a resistance of 25,800, and there we have this 100 EMA level as well. So once the price closes higher than that, we'll be getting a lot of good confirmation, lot of upside momentum from there. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum here, so Ethereum is showing much more momentum than the Bitcoin. Now look at here, Ethereum on Friday, it was already trading higher than this 100 EMA, and now today it's higher than this resistance area of 1725. So it's up by 5% today. Let's just wait for the closing price, and if the closing price happens to be higher than this area of 1725, we will see that the price will reach to 2000 level. Also there is a very high probability of reaching to that level. So for the resistance, I'm taking up the 1725 as the resistance, because the market is open, and here there could be two situations. If the market closes higher than 1725, we can take up a resistance at 2000 and take up a support at 1725. If not, if the price closes below than 1725, we will again, we don't need to change the levels. We'll take the same levels as the 1725 as the resistance and 1510 as the support area. So this is, I think, we'll be getting more clarity once we'll get more closing. We'll be getting closing price. We'll be moving towards the end of the day. Now this is the IC15 index, and since the price is going up for almost all the cryptocurrencies, the major ones, so you can see that it is also up, and it's taking a support at around 33,550. That could be the support area, and the resistance for this index could be 37,120 something. So here, if the top 15 cryptocurrencies moves upside, you will see the same momentum in this index as well. So I think we can take up these two levels, support and resistance levels, for the IC15 index.